All right, guys. These are the Friday directions. Today's Thursday, but I'll post this video tomorrow. So today, I guess for you guys, we're just taking a quiz. You can see here. It'll be scheduled, ready to go out at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, so it'll be live when you're looking at it, obviously. Remember that it's due Friday at 3 o'clock, so you have the hours of 7 and 3 o'clock in the afternoon uh, to answer the questions on the quiz. It says Google Form sign in. Once you click on it, the quiz will pop up, and you'll be good to go. I think it's like it's 14 questions, 28 points possible. You can use your notes on it, all right? So good luck on that. Just find some time to take it today, and that's it. And on Monday, a new unit, and we're finally going to cover India on Monday, and it'll just be a little reading guide action on Monday, so kind of give you something to what to expect moving forward. But that's it, guys. Good luck taking the quiz. Email me if you have any questions, obviously, and I'll talk to you guys next week.